Hello friends, welcome back to the video. My name is Gautam Sharma and you are watching The Tech Expert. Before watching the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Also share the video with your friends and like the video because your support motivates me to do more videos. Let's have a subscribe goal of 50 and like goal of 25. Hope you do it. Today's video is one of the most interesting video on cybersecurity in Google Chrome. Watch the video till the end without skipping to know more about your security. Google Chrome is one of the most widely used browsers in the world, but its users are being urgently warned today. Cybersecurity agency CERT In has warned Google Chrome users of potential hacking activities. If you don't know about CERT In, let me explain. CERT In is the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, is an office within the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology of the Government of India. It is the nodal agency to deal with cybersecurity threats like hacking and phishing. It strengthens security-related defense of the Indian internet. The agency has asked users to update their Google Chrome browsers in order to stop hackers from accessing control and also compromising the safety of their machines. Tuesday, July 21st has seen an urgent alert sounded to Google Chrome fans as safety fears surface regarding using the Chrome browser. The virus can either steal money from your accounts or let hackers hijack and control your computer from anywhere in the world. While this technique isn't new, it's still effective because it exploits the intended recipient's desire to practice good security. The company also explained that the new vulnerabilities were spotted by external security researchers. According to the researchers, the issues exist due to heap buffer overflow, side channel information leakage, type confusion, inappropriate implementation in WebRTC, use after free, policy bypass, insufficient policy enforcement, incorrect security UI, user interface, etc. Google said it removed more than 70 of the malicious add-ons from its official Chrome web store after being alerted so that the problem of hackers gets less. That's it for today's video, hope you liked it, as always see you on the next one.